So far, so good.
Yes.
Alrighty, gonna do a little quick video getting this butterfly house ready. Instead of using this screen that we makeshift, this top, I think we got at Walmart. This box here came with this top. Gonna do is just try to cut this open and then glue the screen there. So then that way the caterpillars have breathing thing there. So what I'm gonna do is get my air little thing here, kind of come across there as perfect as I can. I don't know if it's gonna be perfect, but be perfect for us. And then again, put a screen right over there. Let's see how this comes out. A little do-it-yourself project butterfly house, I guess we can call it, or caterpillar house. Yeah. All right, this should just pop out. Should pop out with two hands. All right, it's got a little bit of the plastic thing there. I'm gonna get this little file and file down the edges just to try to make it as clean as possible. All right, there you go. Now I just gotta fix, I got the edges as good as I can. This warped a little bit, we don't know how, but it could have been because it wasn't sitting on top of this. I'm gonna try to leave this in the sun for a little bit to see if it'll warp down. BB's gonna come with the screen, or we're gonna put the screen, then see if we can leave it in the sun for a couple days. If not, we might have to put some tie straps because it is coming up on the edge here, and we don't want the caterpillars to leave. All right, because this doesn't want to turn. I know in one of our videos, it looks like it's a monstrous job to take it apart. To be honest with you, could be the brushes. So I'm gonna have to use this to sharpen up my blade. I put a little stone on my little air tool thing, and then I'm gonna start getting these while BB starts getting ready to put that on, and then we'll go from there. All right, she's looking good. Alrighty, so she's not going to use the glue because if it does get hot, God forbid if the glue starts falling.
And there's caterpillars on there. Now, is this a sure bet? No. But at least it's one I'm willing to take. A chance I'm willing to take.
Did you see if that will stick to the screen?
I'm going to in a minute. That'll be my deciding factor, my dear.
Or if I had clear silicone, which I don't, I have white. Well, like they said, can't fix it, duct tape it.
Come on now. There we go. Oh, that's what it is. It's because that's bowed.
It's alright if it bows.
No, I know. It's just I was trying to pull the screen tight so when they walk on it, granted, it's not like they're heavy, but nonetheless. Okay. I think this is gonna work because it's attaching to the screen, that little bit.
Then we just gotta try to lay that on a flat piece of wood.
Yep.
See if it'll bend itself out in the sun.
Yeah.
So far, so good.
Yes. Okay.
There you have it. Let me see it.
Not the most beautiful thing in the world.
Turn it around. Looks good.
Okay, so we're gonna leave it right there. I'm gonna go get a piece of wood and just lay across it and see if it'll take the warp out. I'm gonna take my...
And that's what it would look like in all its glory. Just like that. They can breathe and everything.